Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this PowerPoint tutorial, we're going to talk about 3D models and 3D animation. That sounds very exciting, so let's get started. From the Insert tab, I'm going to go to 3D models. Click on the arrow, and because I don't have any 3D models on my desktop, I'm going to go to online sources. So we have some categories here. Let's go to animals. And let's choose a dinosaur and insert. It is inserting my 3D model of a dinosaur. This might take a few seconds. And here it is. This is my 3D model. Now, with this button here, by clicking and dragging, I can turn the way the dinosaur is facing. So, okay, that looks good. With this, I can rotate. And of course, with the corner handles, I can resize. So this is my 3D model of a dinosaur. I would like my dinosaur to do something. So let's insert some animations. Select. So right here we have some 3D model views. You can choose whichever you like. So I have a bunch of animations here that I could choose from. The first thing I want to do is open up the animation pane right here. So I can see all of my animations in this pane and click on Add Animation. Now we're going to start off with some 3D animations. We have entrance animations, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Let's start off with 3D. First, I would like my dinosaur to arrive. So let's select that, arrive. From here, I can set the timing, so the duration, let's make it a bit longer. Let's make it 2 seconds. And let's play. Okay, so my dinosaur arrives. Now, from here, we have some effect options. So I can choose the direction, up, clockwise, left, down, I think up, and OK. Now I'd like to add another animation. So let's go to Add Animation. I would like the dinosaur to leave. First arrive and then leave. Okay, now I see here that this will start on click. Well, I don't want it to start on click. I want it to start after the previous. So he will arrive on click and then automatically leave. And I would like the duration of this also to be 2 seconds. Also, from the effect options, I can choose up, clockwise, left. Let's choose left. Now I'm going to add just one more animation to make this perfect. This time I'm going to choose a motion path. So I will choose a line. Now, you see this line here? This is his path. So where does he leave from? Let's make him exit that way. And not on click, but after the previous. Let's test it. Clicking on play from, I can see the animation. Okay, now let's go to the slideshow button down here and take a good look. Here comes the dinosaur, and then he leaves. Escape. So you see that this didn't actually work. I didn't see the dinosaur leave to the left. Now, I'm going to change the setting of this last animation and select with previous. So the dinosaur is leaving, which is my previous animation, and he's leaving to the left. He's following this path. Let's try again. Here comes the dinosaur, and there goes the dinosaur. So I have made my first 3D model animation. There are lots of impressive animations in here and lots of settings that you could use. Just play around and choose what you like the best. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.